Afternoon to all, myself P. Ashita from MBS Government Degree College. Our Jignasa study project 2023-24 is common emitter transistor amplifier. My co-participants are K. Naresh, K. Manjula, G. Bhaskar, C. Naresh, M. Soni. We all are from MPC, MPCS final year from MBS Government Degree College, Mahabubnagar. Today's our study project objectives are to design a common emitter amplifier circuit and to obtain frequency response of amplifier in mid frequency gain and lower frequency cutoff frequencies. And next continued by K. Naresh.
Next, let's see the C circuit diagram. It is classified into two components. There are biasing circuit and input signal, audio signal input. The circuit diagram input alternate current is frequency signal. 0 Hz to 20 Hz is low audio signal, 20 Hz to 20 kHz is mid frequency signal, and greater than 20 kHz is high frequency audio signal. So diagram components are transistor CL100, resistor R1 26 or 27 kilo ohms, R2 resistant R2 is 5 kilo ohms, capacitor resistance 4 kilo ohms, emitter resistance is 1 kilo ohm, emitter resistance 560 ohms, capacitor C1 C2 is equal to 1 microfarads and emitter coupling capacitor 100 microfarads. Power supply VCC is equal to 12 volts. Oscilloscope function generator, breadboard and connecting wires. Next to be continued, Manjula.
Next to operation. The circuit of NPN transistor is common emitter and amplifier output characteristic curves. It relates to collector current IC and collector voltage VEC at the different values of base current. The transistor amplifier operated using AC signal. Biasing in amplifiers provides the operating of transistor amplifiers to receive signals and reducing the distortion of the output signals. Next, base voltage VB is equal to VCC into R2 by R1 plus R2.
Base voltage VB.
Next, C transistor current gain beta RE greater than or equal to 10 R2. Therefore, beta greater than or equal to 10 into R2 by B RE. Next to be continued by Bhaskar.
Coupling and bypass capacitor. Capacitor C1 and C2 are
Voltage input value 1, voltage output value is 1.5, AB called output by input 1.5. 100 voltage is logarithm 2, natural logarithm is 0.8684. Our input value 1, output value 2.2. Gain value 2.2. Mid frequency value 20 edges to 20 kHz. Logarithm value 1.30. Natural logarithm value 1.8675. Input value 1, output value 2.28. Gain value 2.26. High frequency value greater than 20 kHz. Logarithm value 4.47. Natural logarithm value 1.9439. Input value 1, output value 1.6. Gain value. Voltage gain of amplifier AB frequency response curve. This graph x-axis is logarithm frequency, y-axis is gain frequency. These are three frequencies: low frequency range, mid frequency range, high frequency range. 0 to 20 edges is low frequency range. 20 to 20 kHz is mid frequency range. Greater than 20 kHz is high frequency range.
next to be continued by Sinaresan.
Continue by
lower and higher frequency ranges. At lower frequency range, the impedance of coupling capacitor increase at lower frequency. The voltage gain of transistor amplifier decreases at low frequency range, higher frequency. The reactance of capacitor as frequency decrease as frequency increase. And next applications, the transistor common emitter amplifier mainly used audio amplifiers. And next advantages, common emitter amplifier very rapid, efficient, easily automated. It has high impedance, low output impedance for voltage amplifier. Next conclusion, it allows coupling of alternating current signal into an amplifier test without distortion.